Your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name stands above them all. All thrones and dominions, all powers and positions. Your name stands above them all. And the angels cry, holy, for creation cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. And your people sing, holy, to the King of Kings. Holy, you will always be. Holy, holy forever. Hallelujah. If you've been forgiven and if you've been redeemed, oh, yes, sing the song forever to the Lamb. If you walk in freedom and if you bear His name, sing the song forever to the Lamb. We'll sing a song forever and amen. And the angels cry, holy. Sing along. Holy, you are lifted high. Holy, holy forever. Hear people sing. Hear people sing. Holy, to the King of Kings. Holy, you will always be. Holy, holy forever. bless